Hey Minnie, why are you so decked up today? Oh yes, Sushmita, I'm inspired by the Cannes Film Festival and therefore I am decked up. But I wanted to tell you something. I am ready, all decked up, but I probably don't know the right words to speak. Bonjour everyone, welcome back to Thrive with Sushmita. This week we are rolling out the red carpet for adjectives which will help Minnie when she goes to Cannes Film Festival. She will be able to use these adjectives and definitely it's going to make our grammar fabulous. So let's get into the glitz and glamour of Cannes Film Festival and get ready for the event. Now look at this picture from Cannes. We see a gorgeous actress in a shimmering gown walking on the grand red carpet. Here the words gorgeous, shimmering and grand, they are all adjectives. So adjectives is equal to describing words and it helps our vocabulary because that's the way we will be able to describe the entire event very effortlessly. So we are flying to France to see the Cannes and learn all the glamorous words. So are you ready to walk the red carpet with me? So let's start with adjectives to describe the entire Cannes Film Festival. The first word that actually describes it so beautifully is prestigious. Prestigious. Prestigious means something which is respected all around the world. The second one is glamorous. Glamorous means something which is full of beauty, which is full of charm. The next word is international. International here means that it is attended by so many people from so many countries. So it is an international event. The next one is my favorite and it is star-studded, which means it's filled with celebrities. The next one is iconic. Iconic means something which is very famous and symbolic. Famous and symbolic. The next one is exclusive. Exclusive means it is limited to certain number of people. So anybody who attends Cannes is actually chosen, they are exclusive. So it is not for everybody. Okay, now let us use all these words that we learned to describe the event in a sentence. So you could say, Cannes is a prestigious and iconic event that celebrates international cinema. Now let's move on to the red carpet Minnie, where the actual magic happens and you will be able to see so many celebrities there. So you can say it is star-studded. Right? So the first word that you can use for the red carpet is luxurious. Means very expensive, very elegant. The next word is vibrant. Vibrant means which is full of life, full of bright colors. So when you see their beautiful dresses, you will see it's all vibrant. The next word is dazzling. Dazzling, which is shiny and eye-catching. So when you're there, you will definitely see that the red carpet is dazzling with stars. The next word is elegant, which means something which is very stylish, very graceful. Okay, did you see Aishwarya Rai? She was so quintessentially elegant. Timeless is the next word. Something which never or someone who never goes out of style. What about Shah Rukh Khan at the event? So what can you say? Let's make a sentence with these words that we learned. The red carpet looked dazzling under the lights and was filled with elegant fashion moments. Now let us talk fashion Minnie. The costumes, the dresses, the gala event, it is always the talk of the town. First one is stunning. Stunning, somebody who is extremely beautiful. The next word is chic. It means stylish in a fashionable way. The next word is dramatic. Something which is bold and very eye-catching. I am sure you will see a lot of dramatic moments in the show. The next one is flowy. Something which is light and graceful. The next one is tailored. Tailored means something which is extremely correctly fitted. The next word is ornate, something which is detailed and decorative. Now let us use few of these words and make it in a sentence for you, Minnie. She wore a stunning flowy gown with an ornate neckline. We can also say he looked sharp in a tailored tuxedo. Now let's describe the celebrities who light up the Cannes. The first word is charismatic. Charismatic means somebody who is very, very charming and confident. Charming and confident is equal to charismatic. The next word is famous, which means well known. The next one is talented. Talented means somebody who is skilled and gifted. Skilled and gifted is equals to talented. The next word is poised. Poised, somebody who is calm and very, very elegant. The next one is stylish, somebody who is very fashionable. Radiant, somebody who is glowing with happiness and beauty. So these were a few words that we learned. Now let us use it in a sentence. She looked so poised and radiant on the red carpet. We can also say he is such a talented and charismatic actor. So these were a few adjectives that you learned, Minnie. And let me tell you, this will definitely help you a lot. So what should we do now? We should take a quick recap and try and remember all the words that we learned today. So let's get started. See, when we talk about event, we can say prestigious, iconic, glamorous. When we talk about red carpet, we can say dazzling, vibrant, elegant. When we talk about costumes, we can say stunning, chic, dramatic. When we talk about celebrities, we can say radiant, charismatic, and poised. So let me tell you, it is definitely going to help you. So now it is your turn. Pick up any photo from this year's Cannes Film Festival and write 3 adjectives to describe it. Now let me also see how stylish your grammar can be. If you enjoyed learning with a touch of glamour today, don't forget to like and subscribe. And let me tell you, learning English should not have to be dull all the time. It can be dazzling too. So yes, where is Minnie? I can't see her. I think she has already left for Cannes. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling, keep thriving with Sushmita and stay stylish. Thank you so much.